Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Vechain then on our daily time frame today. It is Monday and we are having a pullback as you would expect. After such a long move to the upside, we are going to start to see some retracement in my opinion. And you could argue that we've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside in this local little move that we've seen for Vechain here. Obviously Bitcoin has been stuck at around that 100k level for a good while. You can see here we've really just been going sideways, if not just grinding to the upside here, and maybe some kind of ascending wedge pattern like this. I think this is going to retrace pretty soon, probably down somewhere set to 70 or 80k in this area here. I know a lot of people won't believe this and they think it's complete FUD or nonsense, or I'm just a bear or whatever, but I really do think that pretty much every time that we've seen a very significant move to the upside for Bitcoin, it has had some kind of retracement. You can see on pretty much all of these impulses to the upside throughout this bearish period over the past year or two. You can see big pump, that's a 50% retrace. Big pump, that's around a 50% retrace. Big pump, that's a 100% retrace. There's this absolutely gargantuan move that we saw here, which had about a 25-30% retrace. And then we've got this huge move that we saw here, which had a 50% retrace as well. And now we've had a massive move here as well for Bitcoin. And you could imagine, in my opinion, there's some massive imbalance in the market right now. We've just hit 100k and the 127 Fibonacci up here, where we saw some big volatility once it was hit. And I am thinking that Bitcoin could easily come down and 50% retrace just this local move here, which would take us back down towards 80k or so. Maybe even further, in my opinion. A big break and retest of the previous all-time high of 74k here. Not off the cards at all, in my opinion, considering how unbelievably leveraged the crypto market is right now. If you look at the amount of leverage being used in the markets, it's pretty unreal. And I do think if this happens, we could see Vechain having a very significant retrace as well. You can see it's quite highly correlated to the local move that Bitcoin has seen. And as I've said in my previous videos numerous times, I've been looking for this move that we have been seeing for Vechain, and that I'm looking for this bull market playing out. We've got our bear market range here where we reset our Fibonacci, all sorts of other things. Reset the market for the next leg up in the next bull market, and then we've got our waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside that I'm looking for Vechain in this market. You can see the first two playing out pretty much to perfection. The break to the upside and then the back test into the range for support. Lovely impulse to the upside, breaking the local swing high resistance and coming up almost touching the 0.618 Fibonacci there, which is a really big area. A really big area of resistance that does need to be tested. We almost got up to that, as you can see on the charts. Right now, in my opinion, very much looking like we could get a very nice either one more push up into this area and then a big retrace, or we could get a nice pullback from this area because of Bitcoin. Obviously, if Bitcoin drags the market down 20%, Vechain's going to fall at least 30 or 40%. If that was just from here, let's just do it from today's candle. A 40% retrace for Vechain from this area would be back down to around 4 cents or so, which would be around a 40% pullback. A 50% pullback, I would say, of this move here, as you can see. Maybe around 40% actually, I was right all along. This would be a lovely back test into this previous level of resistance as support as well, and would also coincide nicely with a good continuation pattern that's nice and healthy. You can see here the first impulse, long retracement period, massive bullish impulse. This one exceptionally parabolic. You could easily see this retracing back down into this area here at the 0.38. As you can see, I've already got this long position ready and waiting for when we come down into this area, back test, and then start to consolidate just like we did here. I took my previous long position off this swing low liquidity down here from this area. You could say I entered pretty much when that was tapped perfectly. We went sideways for a good while, and I knew that this was going to play out because we were consolidating so much. And then bam, we actually flew to the upside, took out my take profit pretty much instantaneously. And now I'm looking for Vechain either a test up into this area and then a retrace like this, or maybe just a slow grind to the downside again like this before we get that final leg up in the bull market, going up towards all-time highs for a lot of cryptos. Right now, Vechain, in my opinion, looking very, very nice indeed. For a lovely little retrace into this area where we'll get a big bounce to the upside and some really, really nice price action. You can see Vechain here has been getting exceptionally parabolic and bullish. We could obviously easily continue to the upside here if Bitcoin leads the market to the upside, but obviously if it doesn't and it drags the market down, you could see Vechain nicely back testing into this area between 4 and 5 cents before another leg up. It's hard to say what will happen obviously if Bitcoin dumps the market. Vechain will definitely follow suit, but we could continue to see Bitcoin go sideways and Vechain grind out some more gains before the inevitable pullback for the fourth wave of the bull market, back testing before the real parabolic end of the market and the push to the upside. Vechain here, in my opinion, looking exceptionally poised to have a very, very nice bull market indeed. The weekly time frame, as I keep looking at it, looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the upside. That's what I'm looking for, heading up into this 50 cents or $1 area. This looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion for some good continuation. Right now, Vechain just having a pullback in line with the market today, but I'm not concerned at all, and I do think we are going to be having some really good gains for Vechain going forward in this market. The monthly time frame also looking very nice indeed, and I do think we could continue to see more gains for Vechain this month, going up into this area to around 10 cents, maybe get a pullback or two here before that final bull market push up to new all-time highs. Right now we're just chilling and waiting for that to happen. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.